have to build it. It's just like the Chinese one. All the instructions. This is gonna take quite a long time. Now I have all the pieces. Now I have to pop them all there. I'm gonna need some help, so my mom's gonna help me. Have this Mewtwo head that I'm gonna put a sticker on. I don't know if these two stickers are. I don't know if this. So we got this now. My mom is going to the swing to help me. So there, I found it right here, the back and the head. These cars are so windy. Okay, so now we're gonna put it back. We're gonna put it together. Oh my gosh, my build is not fast. Okay, so now we got Mewtwo's head. Oh my gosh, seriously, this wind is weird. Okay, now we got Mewtwo's head. You guys can look. So we got one, and then where's two? Two. Okay, so now the body right here, I guess. Right on this, right here. Fifth, put it together. Okay. Oh, Mewtwo's like my favorite Pokemon too. But Charizard's my first favorite Pokemon. I wish they could make a Charizard one. So we got the tail. So we have the little thing. So now, that we need the big whatever thing. Oh, it's down here, but now yeah. And then so we need to look for this. It looks like, right, like this? Or yeah, like that, right? How did it go in? Okay, there, we got it snapped in. Now we need a 7. Now, grab the next one. Grab this. Okay. Now grab this and put it in the back. Now we have it on. So now I have the butcher. Now we can now we have 7, now we have 8. So here, this. On the back. What is this going on here? What's this? Now, oh, we're almost done, I guess. We only have like a little bit more. That's sick. Whoa! Mewtwo! No! Turn 11. Okay. So now we grab one of these little piece. Okay, so now we'll put it on Mewtwo. It's actually. Oh yeah. Now we have to make the heart. So we did on 12. So 12. To do with this wrong side right here, right side, and then after that right here, right here. Now I can put these together onto my Mewtwo toy. I spent a lot of money. It's better be really cool. Now I got these figured out. That you have to just put this on. And then now it's time to put this. Yes. There's my Mewtwo. Yo. I got it, Mom. Oh my God. Look at how cool is that? That thing is so cool. It has so much to do with. The left side, and thanks for watching. Goodbye. Like and comment and share. Goodbye.